Hello everybody, this is Amy. I'm back. It's like day 3 in the hotel. You know, good stuff. Got 2 more days here for this week. I forgot my Jamberry stuff. Check this out. This is well over 2 weeks. And I had this plan. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna, soak in the tub, like have quiet time. I'm gonna do my nails like constantly because the skinnies wraps, so they're like the 3-day wraps. They could last longer. I was gonna bring them. I was gonna bring my regular 2-week wraps. I was gonna bring some gel, because why not? Why not? I could decide here. And I forgot it all. And I've been like nervously picking just because, new store, new people. I'm weird. Who else does that? I'm sure everyone. So I just, But this is the lacquer. It stayed on really well until like 2 days ago, and I just ruined it. But you guys, there's so many beautiful things going on the website right now. So many beautiful things. There's Going Gone. Buy 3, get 2 free. 2 free wraps just for buying 3 of the wraps that are retiring to make room for the new wraps in the new catalog coming next month. So, new catalog next month. So check out those. Oh, here, you know what? I have the website up. How do I switch? I hope that's not backwards. Oh, it is. I don't know how to switch my screen. Okay, but you can see it. Going Gone, now through March 31st. This is the website, arschief.jamberry.com. That's how you get to mine. So the Going Gone. Oh, such beautiful wraps. They're retiring, so you really want to get them now. We have the Color Pop. Oh, this color is so beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed with this. I can't even stand how cute it is. I hope you can see this. It is this beautiful, beautiful blue. It is a gel. There's also wraps that coordinate with the color, and there's cranes on them. They're so cute, guys. Seriously, check this out. So worth it. We have our Say No More to Domestic Violence wraps. So important. Jamberry will donate every purchase that includes these wraps. So much money has been raised so far. I don't even know how much. I can try and find out, but I know for the past, I've been with Jamberry for a little over a year, and I know that they have had, this is the 3rd time I have seen, I think, 2nd or 3rd, where they've done the Say No More to Domestic Violence wraps. They're beautiful wraps. It comes with a mixed mani set. The white ones say No More, and then a beautiful floral print. It's so nice. This is such an important thing. They donate money to fight against domestic violence to really help out women, especially just go check this out. Incredible. There are new designs. These skinnies. That's what I was talking about with that real quick 3-day mani. It lasts about 3 days. You can get longer out of it, but it's that weekend wrap. And so, You can do it in like 7 minutes. 7-minute mani. No heat. No heat required. Just whoop, take them off the little sheet, put them on your nails, file them down. Boom, done. Night out on the town, a fancy dinner, a not so fancy dinner, just because you want to. Self-care, it's important. And then we have the Unity collection. On all of these, this is right on the dashboard. You just click that. It's from February. They're still going on. You can still get them, but it's the February Black History Month wraps. The prints are so stunning. We have our St. Patrick's Day wraps. Check that out. How cute! I have Lucky Me. I'm going to be wearing that one. Celtic Dream is new. And Bit of Fun Junior wraps. Love it! Oh, I just wanted to get on and talk about Jamberry. I just love it so much. I get so excited. I start geeking out. My nails usually look way better than this normally. I cannot believe I was gonna have so much time to do my nails in peace and quiet here in this hotel while I'm away for work. Next time, I'll be back next week. I'll do a video applying them. That'll help me remember.